Apply for US citizenship and save $445. This is Fred Wahl, the VisaCoach. Sometimes, well, you just want the answer without all the details of where that answer came from. So here is the VisaCoach Minute. I'm going to cut to the chase with concise answers to frequently asked questions. And today's question is, well, how can I save $445 and apply for U.S. citizenship? Well, the filing fee to become naturalized as a U.S. citizen is increasing 61%, up $445, up from $725 to $1,170. The new fee starts October 2nd, 2020. So if you have met the eligibility requirements to become a U.S. citizen, apply now and avoid the price jump. The primary requirement is that you have been a lawful resident of the United States for a few years. If you married a U.S. citizen and have been married to that U.S. citizen for at least 2 years and 9 months during your permanent residency, then, well, you are eligible to apply. Or if you are not married to a U.S. citizen or were and are now divorced, then you are eligible to apply after 5 years of permanent residency. In the case of a spouse of a U.S. citizen, if your green card came from the marriage, well, then after 2 years of residence, you had to apply for removal of conditions. This process sometimes is pretty slow and often takes more than a year before you get your permanent green card, the so-called 10-year green card. Now, as long as you have accrued at least 2 years and 9 months of lawful residence, even though your final and permanent green card has not been approved and issued, you do not have to wait. You can begin the application for naturalization right now. Now, besides the requirement on residency, the following eligibility requirements must also be met. 1, you must be 18 years old or older. 2, you must be of good moral character. 3, you agree to support and defend the principles of the U.S. Constitution. 4, you can speak and read English. 5, finally, you must pass a simple multiple choice test on U.S. civics. At the end of the interview, the officer lets you know you passed and that the next step will be your swearing-in naturalization ceremony. After this ceremony, you are now officially a U.S. citizen and have all the rights and responsibilities that come with that. You can vote, you can get a U.S. passport, and you can sponsor your fiancé, your parents, and siblings for immigration to join you in the USA. This was Fred Wahl, the VisaCoach. Now, click here to sign up for our monthly newsletter and receive bonus ebooks. Here for YouTube's recommendations on videos. Here for the full playlist of recent videos on citizenship, and here to subscribe to our channel.